Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean the K&N filter. It's using the kit you can get from some motor factors, and the audio, I don't know what happened, but the audio went funny on it, so I ended up doing a voiceover, so you'll have to excuse that. So if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and if you're a returning viewer, hit that thumbs up for us. And let's crack on. Bye for now. Okay, so today I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna take it indoors. It's supposed to be red. It's not. So I'm gonna take it indoors and give it a clean and show you the process. So as you can see, I used the K&N recharging kit. In this pack you will get your air filter cleaner and your air filter oil. Shake the air filter cleaner a little bit and spray it over the pleats of the filter until it's fully covered, leaving it for 10 minutes between each clean. Once it's been sat for 10 minutes, you can see the dirt now running away from it. Leave it 10 minutes and rinse it off. You can see me getting some pictures here whilst I'm doing this. So I'm spraying it on again. So this is still like the first coat going on, and I'll leave it for a good 10 minutes. Rinse it off. You can see all the muck running away from it there. I'll just rinse it down on the outside quickly and then rinse it off on the inside, which is how you do it. I'll rinse it off on the outside just to try and get any bigger particles off, and then you rinse it off on the inside, pushing the dirt out. Now this is the second time I'm doing this process. Keep doing this process until you know, basically water runs clear from the actual filter. So I've done this about 3 times using a toothbrush, just gently scrub away at it as well. That'll help loosen off any mess from it, any dirt, any debris. Rinse it off again. As you can see, it is working. It's slowly cleaning the mess. Right now I'm just washing around the bottom of it, then back inside and washing from inside out. Keep doing this until it all runs clear. Once all the water runs clear, leave it to dry for a little bit, a couple of hours, so it fully dries. See here, I'm just giving it a final rinse. Water running a lot better. See, and then I'll leave it a couple of hours here to dry fully, and then I'll spray the oil on each pleat of the filter, trying to get a nice even coverage. You could probably do with a brand new filter, to be honest, as you'll see in a minute. Filter oil, spraying it on between each coat. Leave it about 20 minutes and spray another coat until you get a nice even colour of red.